This video will show you how to add music and audio to your PowerPoint presentations. Inserting a music file. Open a project in Microsoft PowerPoint. Click Insert. Click Audio, then Audio on my PC. You can insert WAV files, MP3s, or songs from iTunes. WAV files can be quite large and can make the PowerPoint presentation difficult to share. Consider converting the WAV file to MP3. Select the audio file and click Insert. There are two options for choosing when your music plays. You can either have music play when you click a button or keep it playing automatically in the background. No style. Choose this if you prefer to click the button to start the music. The music will only play when you click the audio button and will stop when you switch slides. Play in background. Choose this option if you want the music to start automatically and play in the background across all of your slides, even when you change slides. Edit the music file. Optional. PowerPoint includes some basic audio editing tools that allow you to change where the song begins playing, the volume level, fade duration, and more. Make sure you're on the Playback tab. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.